In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Reminders to stay on track. If you want a simple way to remember important tasks, follow-ups or deadlines inside ClickUp, reminders are a great tool. They're quick to create, easy to manage, and helpful for keeping your day organized without needing a full task setup every time. Let's walk through exactly how to create and use one. To get started, open the Create window by clicking the Create icon in the upper right toolbar. This is where you can quickly add different types of items in ClickUp, including reminders. Once the Create window opens, click the Reminder tab at the top. This tells ClickUp that you want to create a reminder specifically, instead of another kind of item. Next, enter the reminder name. In the reminder name field, type exactly what you need to remember. Keep this short and clear so you can recognize it instantly later. A good reminder title should make the action obvious at a glance. If you need to include more context, click Add Description and type in any extra details. This is useful if the reminder needs instructions, background information, or anything else that will help when the notification appears. After that, set the due date. Click Today and choose when the reminder should be due. This step is important because it determines when the reminder will move closer to your attention and when it becomes relevant in your workflow. Now choose the recipient. Click For Me if the reminder is just for you, or change it if you want to delegate the reminder to someone else. This is especially helpful when you're working with a team and want to make sure the right person is notified. Next, set the notification time. Click 1 hour before and choose when ClickUp should alert you. You can adjust this based on how much lead time you need. For example, some reminders are fine with a short warning, while others are better with more advanced notice. Once everything looks good, click Create Reminder. At that point, your reminder is saved and ready to work for you. To view your reminder, open Inbox and then go to Later. This is where upcoming reminders appear before they are due. When a reminder reaches its due time, it moves to Primary, making it easier to notice and take action on it right away. After you complete the action, clear the reminder. This moves it to the Clear tab, which helps keep your active reminders organized and prevents completed items from cluttering your inbox. That's how to use ClickUp Reminders to stay on track. Thanks for watching.